Hello guys, and before doing any actions, I decided to test the CR-7A on speakers, so you see it's still open. I just confirmed my thoughts that bass is like not at the level I would love to, and overall sound is like not pleasant. I'm not sure why, so check. I'm installing this tape like random place into the 680.
Forest trees stand through the tension, like fine soldiers, there is tension. Little Red Riding Hood drives through, she doesn't cry.
Okay, so you hear the amount of bass. Now switching to the CR-7.
Doesn't cry. Ooh, the big bad wolf is really mean. She is white, has no fear. She holds a candle to his eyes. She got his number, he can't tell lies.
I'm not sure if you might hear it, but I don't hear like 50 gears and below, and like I hear like elevated level of the mid-range. I'm not sure why, so I may check with this deck. And on this deck should play fine. Oops, sorry.
Has no fear. She holds a candle to his eyes. She got his number, he can't tell lies.
You hear, right? Back.
Totally blinded, and she'll burn you, leaving you.
No, I don't like it. It's flat and not interesting. And that's just simple tape. Okay, let me find a different tape for my collection. Maybe metal tape will play better. Let's see. Metal 70, fine.
If you wanna bow my ways, follow me and climb the stairs. Love for sale.
Now what happens? So it shows me like elevated levels on metal tapes, and that's like I believe it's due to compression, due to those capacitors. It was tuned to this level. I don't like it. So let me see here. You see levels, +6, +7 on this deck. It's +6 on Sony, right? And I check it like 0 level. it's proper. No, I don't like sound, and I check it, so it's perfectly in phase. And we may play with phase here. So it's not the case, it's not the face. I believe that's the capacitors. Or maybe relays in the worst case. I haven't checked schematic yet. If it has relay, so like 4036 switches, so but I'm not happy how it sounds. I will investigate the root cause and will let owner know like what we need to do to bring this deck to former glory. I checked all buttons, are they in proper positions? No Dolby, like you see, I may select and off. So let's see what I can do with this deck. See you, bye bye.